Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today we're cooking duck breast. If you want to try this recipe yourself, stay tuned. Rolling. First we need to score the skin side of the breast. And the purpose of scoring is to ensure the duck's end, the end of the duck, do not curl up when cooking, but to make sure that it lays flat in the pan. That's the purpose of scoring. Nice and gentle, very gentle, nice. Gotta have a delicate touch when you're scoring. So the breast has been scored, looking good. Here we're seasoning with our cracked black pepper, and we're adding kosher salt. I'm going to season both sides. Again, we're going to place our duck in the pan, skin side down. Flame on. Now we get ready to rock and roll. So we're going to set our temperature or our flame or heat to a medium low. We're gonna place our pan on the stove, and then we are just going to let that cook on medium low heat until the skin side is brown. And there is no need to add any oil. You do not have to add any oil because the duck will render its own fat, and that will be sufficient. So no oil is necessary. Here you can see that the duck has rendered quite a bit of fat, and we've been cooking for roughly 7 minutes on the skin side. Very slow, a nice slow cook. But you can see there's a lot of fat rendered there. And just a tip, you can save the fat and you can use for other recipes. It has an awesome taste. So just a little tip. You can hear it. Hear that popping? Oh, somebody's shy, y'all. Somebody's shy. They said, it smells good. Can you smell it? And then I tried to capture, and it was like, nope, I say nothing. Don't worry, we're gonna get her on here. Yeah, we're gonna get her on here. Trust me. Right now, you can see the duck has rendered a lot more fat, and yeah, it's looking good. We're gonna be ready to flip these in a little while. So far, this has been cooking off on a medium slow heat for 22 minutes. So it's not a fast cook. It's a slow cook. But I tell you, I've tried duck many times over the years, And I never enjoyed duck ever until this recipe being cooked this way by this tremendous lady. So, hey, this one right here, you gotta try it. Okay, we can go. We're good. I'll try to get someone in the camera, but they're not having it. Oh, look at that. Whoa, that is beautiful. I like it. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow. So just so you guys know, this right here has been actually cooking on just the skin side 29 minutes. So we're gonna let this go so that it browns on the opposite side. Again, slow cooking, but is it worth it? It will be worth it, trust me.
Maybe 15 more minutes and then we put it in the oven.
Okay, sound like a plan. Let's see the underside. Hold it up, let me see. Oh yeah, you're about right. Yeah, about 15 minutes. Oh yeah. Okay, give it another 15 minutes. But it's looking good, it smells great. Okay, so this has now been cooking for roughly 19 minutes. We're going to take them out the pan. Okay, we're going in the oven. Gotcha. Oh, that looks good. We're adding our hoisin sauce. Very nice. Very nice. Now, back in the oven. Back in the oven for approximately 2 minutes. The breast is coming out the oven. We're going to take it off the sheet pan. Let it sit on a plate. We're going to let this rest for a minimum 5 minutes before we cut it and plate it. Looking good. That is looking very, very good. We let the breast sit for 5 minutes. Now we're going to slice it. May I? May I do a taste test? Oh, yummy. Very nice. Good job. Thank you. Boy. Looking good. Now it's time to eat. Looking good. Hope you guys enjoy. Cause we're ready to chow down. Take care.